Hi teacher, my name is Efren Suarez Peralta. I am 48 years old. I am from Colombia. I am from Tolima, Bax. I have lived in Manizales, Caldas for 24 years. I am living my wife and my daughter. I study electronic engineering, first semester at the UNAC. I like to ride bicycle. We like 18 Chinese food. We 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 like dance salsa music. I dislike salty foods. I dislike going to room. In April, I went with my family to the municipality de Río Sucio in the department de Caldas. The towns is not very big, but it is live and welcoming. It was visiting the church in very beautiful. Visiting my stepson, we went to eat bandeja paisa and have a few beers. It was a great vacation. I am going to travel next year to New York with my wife and daughter. I will visit the Statue of the Liberty. Eat some good burger and have a few pitcher of beer. We are going to visit Stein Square at night to see the light. Thank you, profesora. Bye bye. Muchas gracias por todo.